Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect your domain to HubSpot, so let's get right into it. Now, I don't have a domain, so I won't be able to show you guys what the entire process looks like, at least from my point of view. However, I do have a backup for that just in case. Now, what you're going to need to do first is you're going to go into the settings tab, just go into the top taskbar, click on the cog icon, and that's going to take you to your settings. Scroll down until you get to content, and just expand that menu, click on domains and URLs, and then that is going to take you here. Here you can either buy a domain or connect one. I'm just going to connect one or click on that, and this is where you enter your domain. Now, I don't have one, so I can't really connect it, since you do need to verify it and then set up the hosting. So I'm just going to go over to this page right here. It's just a guide article on HubSpot, which is called Connect Your Domain to HubSpot, so you can access it whenever you want. But as you can see, you need to go to Connect Domains, click Connect a Domain, then select the type, which is either primary, secondary, redirect, or email sending, depending on what you're using your domain for. Then go and connect with HubSpot's built-in content delivery network. Switch off if you want, if you're connecting your reverse proxy. Then click on Connect, and that should be it. And then select the checkbox next to each content type you will host on this domain. Then click Next. And then you need to enter your domain. Again, click Next. It's just asking me for my domain. As you can see here, I'm not sure why I don't have the other options, but then you can set up the 4 components or subdomain if you need it. So you can set up the subdomain, the brand domain, top level domain, and primary language, and then click Next once you're finished with that. And it will, redirects will automatically set up either from your root domain to the subdomain you've entered, or from the www subdomain to your root domain. And you can edit the redirect if you want to. And you have other sort of things, depending on the provider you're using. Either GoDaddy, you're going to need to click on what you're using. If you use Google Domains or Cloudflare, you're going to need to visit the URL in the action column. And if you're using a different domain provider, or you want to make changes to your DNS configuration manually, just click No, I'll set this up manually. And if you do not have access to your DNS provider, you can continue setting up your domain later. And if in the bottom left, you have Finish Later as the button. Then once you're finished with everything, you're going to need to go through some authorization steps, but that is pretty much it. You can also add new content types to existing domains if you want to, but that is not the point of this tutorial. That's pretty much it for me. Again, sorry I couldn't show you guys, but I don't have a domain. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.